labantu esinabo masenza ama statistics ethu we sitting at about 20 or 30,000 yabantu esinabo affiliated to our organization. Ilabanye bathi no Reverie amachita ngithengela ikota kwegame iqa
Kamthambisa
no amachita ngibhayela ikota angibhayela ikhulu you know uyazi ukuthi skin kunjani
sure
must post ukuthi we bringing Bayern Munich to South Africa to be part of it-draw yethu on November 28 abantu abaningi we rolling their eyes
it's unheard of
but
kanjani
akaze yalithi Bayern
exactly that's what I was thinking now
was rolling their eyes and then let's keep lesilapha mngwe asidonate sona very strange after skate ukuthola donation let's keep there's one guy from Germany that he gave us an offer of 25,000 pounds.
Okay.
Ukuthi ufuna ukuthenga leskip. Signed by Kimik. When I calculated the numbers, I was like,
crazy.
Masters in Fethi kuseni, thina singama host. Fethi came usasipane
namanje
thina sifike kuseni as ama host obviously we need to make sure ukuthi ground li namanethi balayinile ama ground ama team afika on time
sure
une team edlala ngo12 ifika 8
babhizi
abazokukhothela into abazonyathela amaswayi bathele
Sanbonani and welcome to the Ghetto Dreams podcast. It's your boy LMK. Vandag is an interesting one. I want my sister to gather around lapayana with my comment section, but like, but subscribe because chances are you've got ubaba sekhaya every Sunday uyahamba uthi uyodlala ibhola and you've never understood why because manje every Sunday uyavala umuntu una 44 years una 45 years it never made sense. So vandag ngiphethe out yami my brother in football unama answer we just going to be breaking it down. Ngiphethe uSimangaliso uGrand mfowethu.
Grand bafo kunjani?
Hayi ukhala kusizi man. Ngiqeda ukunika nabo kancane ekhaya ngibagaya iTlu so but I just want you to formally introduce yourself ukuthi ubani uphume kuyiphi organization and then tunani.
Igama uSimangaliso Mlambo. Ngiphuma from an organization called Social Cohesion Masters. Actually we're under the Social Cohesion group. Kuma Masters i-organization yethu idila strictly ngabobaba esikhathini esiningi yabo ukuzama nje ukumake sure ukuthi ama-grootmani aba-active because if uyabheka Monday to Saturday sibhizi but at least Sunday ukuthi uhambe uyoncenga idisk uyazi sonke ema-outer seekers ukhulela udlala idiski
sure
and then because of our careers nani sesiyasibana asakhona ukudlala full time
true
mara social cohesion is that Sunday asihlanganeni bafethu senza ama teams sidlale sonke
that's good
thina silapho
that's what you do so ngikade ukushaya example yabo sister don't you now clash because bathanda quality time Sunday ilanga labo baniqala right engazange nibe naleyo nkinga
mfethu even the media yakhala mfethu Sunday for lovers we say Sundays yes are for lovers but at the same time ama sister awasiza wazosibukela ekhawulini kumnandi mfethu ekhawulini it's a family day asamenzo support ubaba ekhaya asama autism nama social ills unalenye gender based violence esigcwele emadladleni you understand so ama out masihlanganela ziningi into esikhuluma ngazo akusidiski kuphela siyasizana bafethu out yami kunesibani endaweni so abobeka kunendawo abanye abantu bama manager mfethu lethi iske sidlala kulo khona manje it's not about ibhola kuphela but sina wonke umuntu la sinamaphoyisa sinamasoja sinabodoctors sinamaloya one of the guys esisebenza naye thina ukuthi siyethu uyilawyer is a qualified lawyer so we assist in terms of makunama dispute
okay
the one write ama cases with no bafethu sibonile into esona so sina almost everybody la
and also mhlambe khona nabani employed bayakwazi ukuthola ama opportunities from abantu abamanager
there's a guy esebenzana naye uempower youth ngebhani isibani nani
Sure.
nayo unokupost bafethu endaweni esokuvela isibani ngicela niye nobheka lapha yabo sinabo ma 4-5 years sidlala sonke yabo esama masters and sibonile impact mfethu by social ills nanana kunento ebhlungu ekuyangiphatha kabi. There was a guy normally masidlala ama masters siyahostana uthi mangabe iphelile igame sihamba sohlala maybe somewhere sohostana. There was a guy besihleli naye uhlala around eProtea. Sahleli naye udlalela one of the teams. Siyaxoxa naye kumnandi nani from ngabo ma 3 ngabo 4 this guy ahambe. Makafika endlini ngathi uyaxabana nemidi nani yabona masizwa later bathi this guy ushise idladla nemidi nabantwana phakathi. It's so sad for us to hear stories like that. This is our first year start.
Sure.
That's when we said, Buffett, this thing we need to take it serious. If there's an issue, if there's a problem, as cool men as I'm out. As bonus and so instead of that day, if besaz, if team fit ngcono ungayendlini mangabona ukuthi wena nomfazi
kuneflow
sicela ungayendlini ke maybe asama ukutholela icounseling somewhere
sharp or mhlambe sivaye nawe siyokhuluma naye sure
into ezinjalo uyabona so lesawubona sesiphusha so serious ukuthi we need men to participate on a Sunday yabo asibeni khona asikhulumeni bafethu if unenkinga akusindaba yotshwala kuphela nana but asikhulumisaneni bafethu asikhoneni. That's why irresponsibility yami as a chairperson in your organization is to go and look for lama programs afana lawo yabo iHolocaust Museum khona manje bas refer to a counseling company esikhuluma nayo manje ukuthi it can go and assist if iplayer lethu ne problem and phone bamsiza over the phone ukuthi nenkinga so bengicela ningassist nana so into esibhizi esikhulumisana nazo. That's why I said yes, Sundays are for lovers but at the same time mentally amajita siyabadinga wabe khona emakhaya.
Wow. Okay, Mfana, I hear you and I think that's a very good initiative that you guys are doing. But I just want us to take it back from like Kalakon. Tina, what you guys are doing, elokishini besibizwa ukuthi amakroko. Amakroko ayadlala mhlambe yakhathi raise amakuzoba nefinal nani. But after what you've just said, nami sengiyibona different. So, before we get to the championship and everything, I just want us ukuthi siqale emakrokweni. So, how did this all start? Mhlambe manzothi hayi asivaye sodlala idisk bekwenzakalani or mhlambe benibhorekile, what happened?
In fact, very interesting. Mas kulenye out here to bash yayishada around 2020 just after COVID 2021 October yayishada. So normally into besiyenza especially because kune league abathi SML kune league abathi like Soweto kune SML social Soweto Masters League and then kune yaseKagiso Rand West and then bese kuba nenye abathi Super League. Thina we bese kuba ne keep fit. Thina lethu lesithathu i social cohesion masters league masiqala thina besinama teams abo my 8 or 9 from Protea amanye from Middlelands and besino challengeana sodwa as ama teams ukuthi no this week sisidlale nani this week badlala lapha so enye out engistarting nayo organization uLebo Hang athi simanga why singaqali league uyabona ngithi kuyi emfethu sizoyiqala kanjani league singana ama infrastructure singana what no wena because you good on speaking to these teams khulumana lama team wanikeze idea ngoOctober ukuthi January next year siyaqala senze league and then yena uzofuna isystem la khona sokhona ukwenza khona ama systems ukuthi mawinile unamba ama feature so waqala wayenza leyo nto leyo mina ngakhuluma nama teams. I remember our first meeting besina 8 teams bowakhona sahlala phansi sathi bafisi 8 bese 8 khona ethembisa yes9 asiqaleni senze feature and saqala first game yethu saqala namajita sabeki age ukuthi okay because bakhona abancane nyana bangekho over 35 so a ground we are allowed to have 9 players that are 35 and above and then we can only have 3 players that are 30 to 34 so that wonke umuntu so iqale kanjalo ke and then manje uyiqala siloku sidlala isizini yethu uqala manje ukidlala normally we cross path nalamanye ama league so uthola abanye badlala bashare same ground nathi siyadlala nani. That's when I came up with an idea ukuthi bafethu yes bayadlala ekeep fit iyadlala iSML iyadlala social cohesion iyadlala iRand West iyadlala why once a year singahlangani wonke lama league sidlale senze i-tournament eyi-1 but we need to come up with a strategy ukuthi sidlala kanjani. That's when I came up with the name ukuthi Soweto Champions League. So if we taking teams from 1 to 8 from each league bahlanganise senze i-Champions League, the same Champions League webona e-Europe, the same Champions League webona la Africa, it's the same strategy esidlala ngayo esenza ngayo.
But also I'm worried about manje fitness because in the road ngicine ukudlala i-disc because mina how I understood ama-masters before we get there bewukuthi amakroku on a Sunday siyahlangana siyadlala mhlambe sibhetshele 5 clip mangabe siyawina mhlambe wena waseDopsy niyasihosta la eDopsy sishaya amabhiya we relax mhlambe siyarenga and that's it. But manje mangabe sekuzoba i-league i-fitness ivada.
Yeah, yabona modlala week in week out i-fitness and enye into encourage amajita ukuthi bafethu during the week hamba uzijimela wona yabo shamaro iba nama programs akho like i-team yethu sine program yethu ukuthi during the week senzele isijogele maybe for that 2 or 5 Ks yabo maybe on a Tuesday na Thursday ujoge, Saturday let's get together siyojima maybe that 2 hours practice ama shooting so ama ifethu mawungabona khona manje lethi skill ama masters has grown selidlula le ntwana.
Wow,
if ukela ama masters ema ground you swear ukuthi kunama grootman nabo ma 55 years likushiye limile la wona usalthinta mfethu iskill lise ngqondweni namachita nabo ma 55 years thina uma masters we've got someone from 30 all the way to 60 years. The oldest player mina engadlala against was 56 years old.
Wow.
And udlali 6 that guy bambiza uMahopa. Udlali team yase Orlando Head Boys. That guy you in fact umntana kuna 27 28 years. Umntanakhe, but I don't think that guy will match nge-fitness yakhe, dedication yakhe ebholeni. Grootman elidala mfethu. Bengilitshela ngithi I will never stop until I'm 56 years.
Sure.
Mina bengithi when I'm 40 ngina 40 manje, bengithi mangina 45
ngizoyeka. And how he plays.
He's still playing 90 minutes week in week out uyadlala.
And also you can't just mhlambe ujoin manje bekumele ukuthi mhlambe kuke waba i-player before lento soyayazi nemalsegazini
mangabe ukwadlala and you must know kuma masters now into say different udlala nama ex professionals manje. You play udlala nama ex professionals amaningi. Kule Champions League besinayo we had about 110 my ex-professional players that were playing in different teams. Pambridge alone, Pambridge Masters, yes, Pambridge. Yona first lineup yabo ina 9 players. Ama
ex-professionals.
And i-top goal scorer yethu kule ePambridge iphume from ePambridge. Bongani Mpele bekadlaliswa iLusi. We scored 5 goals in one game. So you must understand even though ungadlalanga professional but udlala nabantu ababuya professional. Technical ability yabo, the way they kick ibhola, the way barana ngakhona off the ball, i-thinking yabo i-different. When ukhulu udlala ekasi udlala ama-challenge udlala i-team wayeka i-disc so udlala lawo bantu now yak-require as a player ukuthi now usikhulise uyabo even though you 35 and above mara isakubuyisele emuva ukuthi man le Grootman bengilibona e-TV uyabo uthi usophala besinayo eZanspruit ayodlalela iMidlands eZanspruit abantu baseZanspruit mfethu iground lakhona lokuma scorer camps emkhukhwini once they knew ukuthi usophala is going to be there playing mfethu iground ibeligcwele same time bekugcwele mfethu bekadlalela elayinini wonke umuntu bekafuna ukuma shoot ithombe naye amajita seZanspruit ukumbona nje first time abe khona ukuthi usophala azodlala nana enika nathi i-dignity as ama masters enika nama time imagine utshela intwana yakhe edlini ukuthi emfana mina bengimakho ukuthi usophala mina bengimakhe ubani so isinika yonke leyo confidence leyo and siyabona ama Grootman khona manje sesiyakhulumisana manje ngalahleka ikari Alex for example because for teams from Alex ngalahleka ikari Alex kune group esinayo kunabo khadara kunamaphoyisa
so i-connect
sure ngalahleka ikari anibonanga la Soweto ngicela ngicheckele na so kuyi network enjalo sisinayo.
And also you might find ukuthi since udlala i-disc mhlambe from the age of 10 years or whatever it can happen ukuthi the best game you ever had uyithola manje kuma masters.
Yes, that's true uthola manje kuma masters because now so udlala nabantu ababuya kwenye level, you understand? Fitness yabo and it's not about the competition and it's about the brotherhood.
The brotherhood, sure.
Yeah, that's why most of the times I encourage ukuthi after igame iphelile asihlaleni sikhulumeni socialize and so yona competitive ngibonile bonolinda la leadership.
Yeah.
Team yabo iDikapa nabo banabo about 7 or 8 yama player bano Sipomieti una ulinda Shiba if you khumbule All Stars
khumbule All Stars
ba form team yabo so kwiDikapa manje imagine when you playing against that team now ulele endlini kanje awuni nokuyophuza
vele ukhempe
uthi udlana namajita lawo
wow
so ifootball emu-master seyikhulile and iyawasiza ama-Grootman mfana ngifuna ukutshela manje iyawasiza kakhulu.
I think le episode izonceda abantu ababhabe aba-ignorant njengami abacabanga ukuthi kusasa amakroko nje abhorekile
kakhulu abosisteri.
Sure.
Manje le tournament besinayo i-Champions League besinayo 2025 sibone i-crowd eningi iza from bosisteri. Ema-groundini bephekwa mfethu ama-team afike ekuseni kufikwe nokudla ukuthi pheka kuzothengiswa phekelwa i-team
kuzodliwa
kwenziwa ipoiki kune-team abathi Mosquito iza nama-3 foot i3 kuyaphekwa ipapa kuyaphekwa ipoiki kuyaphekwa amasaladi abosisteri kuyadliwa khona ema-groundini kuyaphuzwa amakholi yabo so sesibonile nabosisteri sebasupporta kakhulu manje so ngiyacabanga ukuthi 2026 labantu esinabo masenza ama-statistics ethu we sitting at about 20 or 30,000 yabantu esinabo affiliated to our organization. So siyakhula every now and then Deepsloot wants to join us, Ivali ifuna ukusijoina Stoli League from around Harties maya towards Krugersdorp Harties Stoli League from lapho so siyawathola ama request Thembisa abuJerry Skhosana abosijuku bebangi-inviteile ku Trap and Pass viewing yabo ye-Trap and Pass iSoweto Derby inviteile lapha ngahlangana nama-Grootman aboDukuduku uBenson Mhlongo bekahleli nami etafuleni athi yemfethu kanjani Champions League thina abantu basethembisa abangekho yabo we reach out to abuJerry Skhosana we reach out to abuPaul Ndlanya bafethu Champions League ikhona siya expand to 64 teams ozani uzosijoina nani yabona kwaba pillar to post khulumana nalo khulumana manje masiqala sisidlala kanti babona ukuthi
no
sesele hayi sivalela ngaphandle uBenson Mhlongo mfethu phone i-chairperson yabo sinabo lapha kule viewing ye-Trap and Pass hayi mfethu nayi Champions League ngihleli nayo la kanjani bantu bakhulumile nani asingenanga sikho i-Champions League kanjani bangekho uBenson
so let's give that breakdown ngibone lana it's 8 leagues 64 teams and 8 venues so do you ikhona indlela mhlawumbe nikhetha ngayo ama teams nifunashisayo or what happens lapho whoever is welcome then makuyi 64 niyakhatha first come first serve
njengoba ku8 leagues kahle sina 9 ama leagues
9 ama leagues
only participate manje by 8 sente category yethu ama teams sidlala ngecalendar day 1 sonke so sonke siqala January to November November Champions League ya draw so starter if you has Champions League original Champions League starter from each league starter 1 to 8 so starter number 1 to number 8 bese siyabahlanganisa bonke senza i-draw so masi draw simake sure ukuthi ama team adlala same federation awadlali wonke so siba nama-pot ayi-8 and then we draw kula ma-pot we-8 yabo and then masi njengoba yi-8 ama-venue aba yi-8 so siba na-1 from Alex kuzoba na 4 games Alex which is 8 teams and then kube na 1 eZandspruit kube na 1 ePalmridge kube na 3 la eSoweto and then 1 eMhlakeng because ngapha eMhlakeng sine Rand West ne West Rand lapho
ama-league ayi-2 la
ama-league ayi-2 so i-Rand West ne West Rand and then la eSoweto sine Super League sine Keep Fit sine Social Cohesion sine Super League and then bese kuba i-Alex Masters League kube iZandspruit and sinalawo ma-league lawo sinawo ayi-9 so starter 1 to 8 bese siyadraw that's how we play and then 64 all the way to
Okay, so I can imagine how difficult it is coast lama tournament wasekasi top 4 mhlambe top 8. Then masenenza this Champion Leagues, how are you guys funding this? Nenza kanjani in terms of izinto enjalo?
Yo mfethu. Yazi mawukhuluma it's difficult to host ama-Grootman. Njengoba ngitshela ukuthi ku database yethu sinawo wonke umuntu, sinama lawyer, sinamaphoyisa sinani.
Sure.
Imagine kune dispute. A team in a 20 or 30 players and thina siphuma ne-verdict ukuthi siyan disqualify as a team because ama rules are straightforward. Awuli no referee, awuli no opponent yakho. Because this thing is about brotherhood, social cohesion, we understand. So I need win my team. And prior to a tournament, there's a registration process MLS ama players. So our team sometimes our register my player. After fill the player and register. If you fill the little player, you get disqualified. So my teams take chances.
Sometimes they want to play with younger boys.
Age cheating. So I'm a Grootman who like we in fit. Se registile mele sibe na team sheet nani. So siba nale problem le ukuthi ukurana tournament every 6 weeks less run ngayo Champions League. Immediately ngitshela ngilali lapho because of Sunday ama games, Monday ama case, if kune dispute or kune case, Tuesday get draw, Wednesday build up towards Sunday yabo prepare for revenge. So kona ku difficult yabona sine team yethu engisipana nayo si 7 esisipana sonke, and out of that 7 what I managed to do is I've got 3 that comes from my league engisebenzana nabo. Ipanel yami engisebenza nayo kule league engiranayo. And then lawa abanye abayi3 baphuma from Orambo, phuma from Keep Fit, and then you see to phuma from SML. So that's how we run ilokuzana. But good difficult my brother, difficult. Ama-Grootman samo ayachita. Ama-Grootman afuna ukudlala ngentwana encane. Mabanika we disqualified about 3 teams kule edition esibuya kuyo. And kwaliwa mfethu indaba ukuthi no disqualify kanjani. If you attempt to field a player, for example, elinga registerwanga, uzama ukudefrauda ini league or uzama ukucheat. So ama rules ethu actually straightforward. If you try into njalo, say disqualify. And irrespond ozoyithola as appeal, you'll get about 3 or 4 pages. Uyabona lento ibhalwe lawyer. Money, kune manager etshela lawyer yayo ukuthi sibhalele abantu aso. Uyabona, so that's how serious amachita ayithatha ngakhona ladies. That's why nathi team yethu needs to be strong to fight against this one. But into engibonile, even those keep a verdict, ama-Grootman understand. We take all the evidence around to say mara le player nzamela ukulifaka and nzamela ukathemta ukudefrauda i-league. So thina sihlala ngefairness. So kunzima wona, kunzima.
So talking about the fairness no defrauda i-league, sinenkinga ku-PSL yabo referee. And then what do you guys do to make sure ukuthi abo referee baspanisayo like abamokolwa like go by into straight?
Sisipana neSAFA kahle, sisipana neSAFA direct. Abo referees bathola from iSAFA direct. So ukujudge ama teams ama game ethu babanika ama points nabo ukuthi ba judge. So into yenza iSAFA is affiliate abo referee based on njengoba sidlala first games lawa 8 venues. They look at the venue ukuthi okay kusabo referee abayi 6 Alex. Let's choose the best Alex ukuthi kube ibabas referee. But azange sibe ne issue kanganga ngabo referee. Azange sibe ne issue kanganga. Abo referee I'm impressed ngabo referee abasinike bona bafit. Bakhona ukumesha ama-Grootman nani. Ngihlala ngitshela abo referee abasijajelayo nasintwaneni ngithi you must angeke ushiwe umuntu ona 40 una 25, you need to be more fitter than as a Grootman.
Sure.
Azange sibe ne issue kangaka. Yes, abo referee abantu banama issues abo, you understand. So but azange sibe nama problems kangaka.
Okay, no, that's good.
Mara sizwile abanye bathi no ureferee amachita ngithengela ikota igame iqala.
Kamthambisa
understand. No amachita ngibhayela ikota, amachita angibhayela ikhulu. You know uyazi ukuthi skin kunjani.
Sure.
Wakalo ngibhayela ikhulu.
Sengiyazi.
Understand. So into ezinjalo makuthi ungakhohlwa lapho usipana amanye amachita sipana ku intelligence.
Abantu abasmart la bentila
ngapha. Awustili nabantu There's a guy who sebenzela i-Audi, he's a dealer principal.
Yeah.
You understand? So you can understand the magnitude of people that we're dealing with.
Wow.
We understand.
Yeah.
Still inabantu ukuthi okay intwaneni udila nentwana ezinye sageleza nanani but la udila nama professionals.
Yeah, professional. Sure.
Moya ngapha around Rand West uya eKuruleni uya West Rand.
Yeah.
Nara udila nama prison ward.
Yeah.
Nama prison ward, head of prison, uyabo ukhata, uyabo out isipalelo umasipala. Udila nabantu abanjalo. When you go to Alex nakhona udila namachita njalo. La Soweto is a mixture of everybody.
Wow.
Nama professionals. Amanye amajita akhulele Soweto yes mara sewahlala vabo masanthini abuya azohlala
yeah
so udiyela abantu abanjalo ukuthi now you must bring your A game challenge now ukuthi ano chairman lento esho ayikho you understand so they challenge decision yakho they challenge everything you're trying to do but you need to stand firm and bazokutshela nabo ukuthi after game iphelile but no asilwi nawe chairman which I understand so need disc passion disc
sure
so it is
it feels like amajita man athole a home nje ku riding enithu nayo it's a home and also mentioning ukuthi riding Audi ngibonela I think bekuyi final bekunama Audi nje agcwele e groundini is it Audi part of a sponsor
Audi West Rand they came in because the target market yabo target market yethu I always tell companies the target market yabo is sitting with us for example there was a local soccer ball besithengisa ababiza ukuthi Jovic labantu basinika imandate ukuthi bafethu sithengiselena amabhola angara we went beyond le number basinika
the target sure
target yabo because i-buying power ikhona ama-Grootman you understand i-Grootman eli-1 lingene emotweni lithi mfethu ngifuna ukubhayela i-team yami amabhola ayi-2 akathengi from i-pocket le-team uthenga from i-pocket lakhe ngifuna amabhola ayi-2 for i-team nayo imali you understand ngithengisele lamabhola or ngizotransferela imali for example eKuruleni sithenge about 50 balls at once we understand
so there's something
nayo Audi i-target market yabo they realized later nabo ukuthi mara le tournament
abantu bethu
if uze ema-groundini ngithu awukhona nopaka you understand ifinally sisihlahleni ezola wethu ukuthi sicele umadlahle emasayidini nani
sicela nje kancane
sicela isipakele you find every car my friend ngibona iPorsche mina lapha ya one of the players aphuma ku Porsche it tells you the magnitude this guy uhlala somewhere Sandton but uzile
drove all
the way to play football and abuyele emuva nani so lama companies otshela yona ukuthi target market bafethu nayi la so thanks to Godfrey from the Audi West Rand but you know we'll come through bafethu showcase ama Audi yethu we don't have a partnership strong okwamanje but was let's come and showcase and then sibone ukuthi yini esingayenza from la yabo so sisasetha ama meetings nabo sibone ukuthi singamova seku but they willing to come on board
hopefully they come through sure because manje i-riding ngiyabona le sibuya kuyo manje iphela I think nge-19 ka Feb
iphele nge-19 ka Feb
how was that what was the highlight for le sibuya kuyo
it was a tournament and a half my brother iyo lebe 120 ama ex-professionals it was a tournament and a half Opamanyisa was there playing for Rand West ama champions it was I don't know how to describe it was their tournament from start to finish it was like bongathi ubukele iPSL if you remember ama games beswabukela uZane Musa
sure
ama game manje kune team yase Don Park babiza Don Park United usibam lo bekadlaliso wethu All Stars badlala lapho kunenye out abathi uNkosinathi ogulu bedlala kuSwayilusi idlala lapha ya mfethu was a tournament and a half was a tournament ama kasibo wahlangene la yabo the
skills are there
the spirit of social cohesion was there mfethu i-team yase Alex idlala ne-team yase Kuruleni i-team yase Alex idlala ne-team yase Soweto i-team yase Ezanspruit mfethu was said about into yase Ezanspruit is mawudlala Ezanspruit i-ground labo liphezulu ne mawudlala maliphezulu on your left is 4 ways on your right not riding. When you look across, I think you look at Iranbek. And then udlala emkhukhwini phakathi. You understand? And again, it tells you the sad reality of South Africa.
Sure.
South Africa. And igrand labo liphezulu like i-sunspread iphezulu. So uyakhona ukubona yonke leyo
into. Yeah. Look left, look right. It's like it's different environments. Yeah.
So to bring football in such an environment out here, ukuthi ibhola noma liphumile lishaya emkhukhwini, balibuyisa abantu bakhona quickly ukuthi no kuyadala. Babone ukuthi uSophala azodlala lapha babone 4 or 5 players, ex-professional players.
Abanye bagibela phezulu kwayo imikhukhu babukela ibhola.
Yes, bazodlala babukela abantu babo. Again, he says to you, football is a winner. Sports is a winner. So this tournament is bonus in Disney. It was a tournament and a half. And I'm so glad I'm a participant.
Yeah. So you team evenile no champion.
I-T12 Manyora yase Kagiso okwamanyisa udlala khona. Benye uHrotman engikhohliwe edlala ku TS Galaxy. Most recently nje uqeda ukuretire bedlala khona.
Zimnandi.
Ugoalkeeper wabo uChuku ku semi-final baye kuma penalty. Semi-final uvimba ama penalty ayi-3 ku semi-final. Na ku final uvimba ama penalty ayi-3 and then the last final beyitrenda ku TikTok. Uyo shaya penalty ugcina washaya le lokhuzana ngamaswanga.
Oh, and goalkeeper at that time. Wow.
3. So it was a team and a half now. But Imdeni, I'm so and for Imdeni was a horse yasisowethu kahle.
Oh, okay. Imdeni Masters. Yeah.
Nabo fethu final yabo is2 abayidlalayo iChampions League. Last season badliwe ku final. That this season badliwe ku final. So it was painful, man, for bona. I could see the faces.
They wanted it so bad.
Fethu umpheme elinye uHrotman belidlala na ku professional now.
Okay.
Yabo uHrotman close nalo la ngitshela uthi manga once ngwina le tournament I retire from football.
Wow.
Once ngwina this is one medal. This person played professional.
But if I could get this one,
this Champions League one, Masters, and fethu angeke ngibone ngisadlala sengizoba assistant coach ntwana. And fit mangibona abadliwe ikhanda lakhe was bengathi mfethu ukwabona umntwana usister ukusweet. He was
heartbroken.
Ama-Grotman were so heartbroken. And again nami nginjalo masidliwe mfethu ngiyami izokutshela ngibuya
ngiyabo
ukuthi man ngabe ubani ukuri.
Sure, it means a lot.
It means a lot to us. And again it shows nama emotions as investor lapho. We forget about everything but focus on football. If unenkinga zakho ukuthi ucabanga wenza something but it is skill yakusave. Ungena phakathi ingqondo yakho iba hle. So into ezinjalo.
So no njobi iphele no February uthe izokuphinde iqhubeke nini?
Izoqala futhi November.
On November.
Tina is Champions League.
Champions is just in a few weeks.
It's about 6 weeks. So i-calendar sidlala nge-calendar day 1.
Okay, angithi kudlala i-league, then November, then ile tos and then yasu.
And siyawathola ama-request from ama-team angadlali kuma-leagues. No bafethu sicela ukudlala kule tournament. If ungaparticipate ku-league, awukhona ukudlala. I-reward yakho ukuthi go and participate every year. Elikini yakho ubuye uzodlala. You understand? We can't take everybody. At least no must have problem with team. We can speak to the federation. Ukuthi no, it's a problem na le team yini esingayenza. So mawungadlali ku league awukhona ukuthi udlale.
Okay. So it's been running for 2 years no Champions League.
Champions League, It's been running for 2 years. But ama league wonke amaningi, for example, Alex, they've been running for about 8 or 9 years. SML for about 5-6 years. Keep Fit for about 9 years.
Sure.
So ama league have been running forever, but we never had a tournament like Slanganisa.
This is the first and it's about 2 years now. But I also see Uzelene riding the skipper. What's the relationship riding Kimish? What's the relationship between Nina as the social championship Mama Stars and then Baba Fethu?
Fethu as mang poster must poster ukuthi we bringing Bayern Munich to South Africa to be part of it on November 28. Abantu abaningi were rolling their eyes.
It's an error.
But
kanjani?
Exactly,
that's what I was thinking.
Was rolling their eyes. But simanga udlala ngathi wena wasishashana. You understand? Abantu abaningi didn't believe ukuthi we bringing Bayern into. So Bayern Munich, we've got a relationship with the Holocaust Museum. The Holocaust is a museum German is about the genocide that happened in Germany. Ngesikhathi Hitler.
Oh, okay.
And then also there was a genocide that happened in Rwanda in 1994.
Okay.
Now, when we celebrated democracy in South Africa in 1994,
there was a genocide
that was happening in Rwanda.
Rwanda, yeah, true.
And Germany, remember, there were perpetrators and victims kule genocide yase Germany.
Okay.
So now the Holocaust Museum is about sharing the stories of perpetrators and victims.
Okay.
So Bayern came to South Africa to launch a museum yabo, a temporary museum, a Holocaust Park Town.
Okay.
So since Sinasne partnership ne Holocaust Museum, Holocaust said to us, Bayern is coming here to host this temporary museum.
Yeah.
They want someone they can partner with in South Africa,
yeah,
or affiliated in football. We understand. Tina, we thought of you guys because you guys are always here talking football to us.
Yeah.
So it's better, it's my partner or not. Then they gave us everything. Sakulmane Bayern. I remember one of the emails, the director of Bayern Munich was there. I still have the email.
Wow.
Director of
straight Bayern.
Straight from Bayern. Was there corresponding that.
Wow.
We're coming to launch because this thing is big now.
Yeah.
Bayern, there was also players that were victims. There were players that were perpetrators.
Oh, okay.
We understand. So they're trying to say, even though as a team we had this problem, the genocide. So we're trying to make sure that genocide will never happen again in Germany. And they're trying to push a narrative. Not every German was bad.
Yeah,
understand.
Sure,
not every German was bad. There's one that were good. There's one that were right.
Yeah.
So the way narrative and that's when Bayern came to South Africa to partner that team. Minister Caitlin McKenzie was also part of this program when Bayern came to South Africa.
Wow.
So Beza ngapha with German embassy was also there. The curator Fabian Begacorna, a few guys from Germany as well. They came and said, "Look, guys, Tina willing to support initiative because of we feel the diversity within South Africa. It's different. And it's a partner nani. So sase busy now documentation to now. How do we move forward? Because imali mawuze thola from overseas. If it's not being able to sign and then years. We understand. But it takes tax rebate. So the process is coming to a close. I think this Thursday the meeting Holocaust as well.
Okay.
So also baza mungasista ukuthi mfethu kule document ubhala lokhu so kunamalaws amaningi ukuthi uthole donation from overseas yabo, but i-embassy nayo iyasasista kakhulu, German embassy iyasasista kakhulu ukuzama ukuthi le mali sisheshe siyithole because bemele sebenzise the same money for the Champions League esibuya
kwezo. So they had to improvise with indawo. Sure.
So but into esilokuzane and then let's keep lesi silapha mwe first donate sona. Very strange, after to thole donation let's keep there's one guy from Germany that he gave us an offer of 25,000 pounds.
Okay.
Ukuthi ufuna ukuthenga lesikip signed by Kimmich. When I calculated the numbers, I was like,
crazy. And tempting.
Tempting. And was donate ikip ezi3 esi1 eska goalkeeper wabo.
Okay.
I forgot the other one, but esi1 eska striker uMula.
Okay.
And
Thomas Müller.
These three players. Remember, these three players are the German descendant players. Yibo the German.
Sure.
Straight. Straight. And into bebasitshela yona ukuthi manje iBayern Munich in about 11 or 12 yama different nations that plays for Bayern Munich.
Wow.
Again is to show ukuthi Bayern Munich is not racist. It's about coming together.
Sure.
If in the lineup, in about 7 or 8 players from different nations. It's only few Germans that plays in the teams. The team. So Bazamo push a narrative.
Yeah. And then you offer whoever wins the championship gets to go that side. But figure about that Mama Stars Wangada. That would be nice.
No, yes, Benzine. Sakulmisana, Bang invited me personally. To come in July. Bang invited personally. In this is Kuluma lezo. Uti Senzanjani. Masibuso. Yes, there is a program to assist them Rotman. And Jongo Busho Kanjala, when I want to say Kubane Ofenjalo. Fetu Masters in Fetik saying Tinas Kama host. If it came with a spot in
Namanje.
Tinas Felix saying is I'm a host in Fetik. Obviously, we need to make sure with the ground Namaneti, Balaini, Lama ground, Amatima figure on time.
Sure.
When a team is around 12, if you 8. Imagine if we get an offer a team a winner
so body mihlolo.
So body mihlolo.
Ngashaya 2 goals ignite manje stop igame.
A group in a team. Kuthiwe no angithi Mastro team e home khona away even though ndlala in a neutral venue. Each team itshelenye ukuthi no thina dlala ngiJersey Blue. Sasa la bathi nathi sidlala ngeli blue sino bafethu mara shintshana amajezi but no hayi
akekho ufuna ukushintsha
angiyazi why
wasebathelile izinto
ahambe sijezi liwani
but now do you think it's the passion yediski or indaba yenyuku kakhulu? What's the prize money?
Akusindaba yemali it's about ifethu thingitshela uMasters akusindaba yenyuku uMasters emalikini ne thingitshela amalika uMasters team mhlambe ena 20 league na team ay 20 Masters badlala maybe the whole year badlala about 38 games but win about 5,000-6,000
okay it's not about
it's not about him, it's about breaking right it's not I knew amakhulumano ngawadlala isifree la time but as long as kuna le breaking right asivayile saya
sure
it's an experience thina yithi leswa ngitshela ngompheme earlier
sure
ukuthi mfethu ngifuna ukuwina riding yabona win Champions League sengqinile yabo it's like you are the boss of the boss kuma Grootman yabo lapha udla amaloya udla abangani
sure ama ex-professional players
sure you understand so it's not about inyu it's about fethu bakuphathela itswayi elimnyama so awuchela game yakho ni very slow
kwenzakaleni sure
ubone i-team uyibukele last week
beyimnandi
mara mayidlala versus team X
it's a whole different team
team fethu slow bona khona dlala slow njalo uzibuza ukuthi labantu
kwenzakalani
so efana masithole ofenjala I'm hoping sizoyithola encourage ama-Grootman
sure
ama-Grootman awasiyeke esikhala
and also it would be a good thing mangabe mhlambe you also giving back mangabe into zenu sezihlangene to intwana ezincane mhlambe one team mhlambe eningayithatha nayo nincede mangabe seni grand in terms of ama sponsors and everything, or what are you guys maybe doing to help intwana ezincane zisadlala?
Mfethu ngithola ama ideas amaningi especially ngeintwana ezincane nanani sithola ama ideas amaningi but iplan esebenza kulo khona manje ukuthi every team qualifier ku Champions League for the next edition must adopt a school. Must adopt a school. For example, ama team ase Alex I8 they must go and adopt 8 schools. Yabo must dlala nathi nabo badlala. So kube ne Champions League igela, kube ne Champions League yamahlo.
That's dope.
We understand into sifuna ukuzama ukuthi siyenze sihlanganise namajini. But again siyabadinga abo Department of Sports ukuthi bakhona bas assisting into sifana lezo because thina masiyofuna ama sponsorship. I remember ngihleli na one company. The company Grootman lakhona la ngitshela straight that ndandlalela utshwala bafethu. We like lento is not about utshwala. This thing is about nabo abantu esinabo yabo. Ukuthi we can't just go and profile everybody. Yabo ukuthi lo ubuyaphi nani, we understand. So you need to understand i-masters football ukuthi ubone ukuthi kwenzakalani. But I'm glad ama-company amaningi manje they're doing that. They understand.
And also Elon, a company that I think works very closely in a tournament was Score Energy Drink.
Score, yes, they came on board now very late. Late. Shout out to Uneo. They came very late now. Some of the noise was too loud. The noise of my masters was too loud. Every kamoye try ukemdeni.
Sure.
From ekuseni to late kwele bazobukela amakhotmani. Ngiyakhumbula kufika elinye ikhotmani zobuza ukuthi kudlala bobani la ama tournament eyintwana next. Thina sigcwalisa ukudlula umahlobo ama game.
Ama discovery what.
Thina mfethu on average siyathola about 5 or 6,000 yabantu eground bazobukela amakhotmani.
Wow.
You understand? And you can imagine une family yakho uyodlala and the Champions League ukuthi amana sambeni kusuka abantu from, for example, unokusuka Champions League inokufeature from la uhambe uyodlala eDavidton. Kanye was there eDavidton azobukela zakhe zaseDavidton. Scapi bheka lapha ya azobukela zakhe zaseDavidton. So our noise was too loud. Was too loud.
That's dope. So ama future plans with championship, because I see you based kakhulu eGauteng. Are you looking to expand mhlambe to amanye ama league kwamanye ama province?
eLimpopo sesithole request. eLimpopo naseNorthwest sithole request ukuthi no bafethu is it possible ukuthi nizosimplementela into efana nale emakasi ethu sikhona ukudlala yabo. Sizo expand to lamanye ama province, but we need to fine tune iGauteng.
Everything is in order.
Stable nani usi ukuthi simuva kanjani kulamanye amalo, because the idea for example in a Champions League masiqala zange siqale today kusasa iChampions League. We had to do research. Ubani uqala nini ileague yakhe, ubani udlala kuphi, age yabo badlala nabobani bayingakhe. You understand? And the funding model of, you must understand also with Champions League our affiliate model of Champions League. You just need to affiliate ne team ne league yakho and then thina get our affiliate. You keep 100 rand for administration. That's the only money.
That's it.
That's it. The administration yako. Masia for it through a Holocaust. We transported all the chairmen, our teams to a Holocaust. You understand? We were there from Exeni up until late. Bafika ahadla amakhotmani during the day. Babai draw. So I invite her in different programs. Gutabe corner. And then later go by this opening a Bayern. So our fleet no affiliate. So but to expand again. We made you put na benkulma na if it you must implement lento nationally.
Father, this is big.
You must implement this thing nationally. Sesakhuluma neSAFA. Ngaba ne meeting no David Nyathi no Aaron Mokoena. Ngabatshela ukuthi bafethu, this is can we just endorse the Champions League? Amakhotmani wa endorse ukuthi SAFA is aware of this program. Bangesaphila to post. Bangesa ku Martin Zwane wathi kimi no Smanga. Mina ngi-based ku-Pirates angibona ukuthi ngikhuluma indaba se-SAFA. Uyabona abo David Nyathi bomele baka-assist in terms of i-SAFA nana. So conversation yethu was left hanging azange sakhona ukuthi sikhulumisane. So ngikhulumela almost everybody.
No, mfana, this is not a big platform, but I'm sure izofika endlebeni ezi-right ukuthi yazini, and maybe hopefully idlale nase TV man njengama-Phillies. I think it's gonna get there. The way ngakhona because it's the only Champions League ekhona. It's gonna happen. Izodlala njengama-Phillies game because people are hungry for such games, but they were ignorant bebangazazi basitshela ukuthi ama stars kuphela. So definitely, if you speak to the right people, it's gonna eventually get there. Kuma SuperSport nan.
We're hoping abo ezinye izinto siyafuna ukucela yes. Yabona. But these companies kunama retape amaningi watholayo ema company angazi ukuthi mhlawumbe ukuthi aba understand i-masters football kanjani. That's why ngo May sizoba ne conference. I'm busy organizing a conference for wonke ama chairman ama leagues ukuthi sihlale phansi sibe ne-conference. We invite almost everybody kuma-champion nabantu aba-prominent ku-leadership. Yabo ngeke ngasendela u-DJ Sbu i-email as well. I want you to be part of this leadership program esoba nayo. That's where we want to talk about masters football. How do we best assist ama-masters? I-Cancer, kune-company abathi Cancer Vive. Now is coming on board because thina bobaba bakhala ngathi ukuthi mabasibiza ngendaba ye-cancer.
Prostate, whatever,
abanayo audience efana leyo. So i-platform yethu is a good platform ukuthi sikhulume nabo baba ngendaba ye-cancer. Because thina siya sekusonepeni esivile. Mofika bathi ibona lento for 5-6 years ukuba ufike
sure
ngabe riding ukhonile ukuthi
so with you bazokurenga direct ne-audience abantu babo
with us bazokhuluma direct nathi ne-audience yabo yabo. We had one guy uthethe inyawo lakhe, is a chairman one of the teams basezan Sprit bekakhona nge-draw, so bakhona ukumassista naye bamfakela ama-programs abo nani, and it's sponsored by one of the big companies as manufacture imoto, so bazokhona basa-assiste lapho. So into esifuna ukuyozenza for us because into esizoyimplementa kuma-masters manje se-group counseling yama-teams. So ama-teams wathatha for group counseling. So on one Saturday we take the whole team to a group counseling. Just speak about issues that if babona ukuthi inkinga yakho severe bakuthathe on the side and
sure
so ezinye izinto esifuna uzimplementa.
But now this is bigger than you guys. It's bigger than you. So what's the future plans for Champions League? What's the plan for the year and the Maikala?
For the year kahle plan lamanje njengoba ngisho ukuthi yama program esifuna uyimplement. Also we want to keep on engaging nama masters kakhulu nama-leagues, engage nama-masters, even wona lama ex-professionals. They need to assist us as brand ambassadors a Champions League. And I was happy Opamanyisa allowed us to use the image yakhe for one of the posters, the Champions League. Lucky Mzizi as well, former Kaizer Chiefs player. Usivumele ukuthi no bafethu sebenzisana image as a brand ambassador. So even Lucas Twala from Pambridge also agreed with number. If you need anything from me, Kulmana, Bongani, Mpele naye, I'm opening my eyes. I was happy on opening long. Good vibe.
I'll take rent.
I'll take rent. Khotman lasekasi ifuna ubona ikasi likhulu. So that's why ngeke kuhappy ukuthi noyithembisa kanjani singangena nalo la ngitshela mfana anything oyidingayo ukuthi mina sikhulume nobani, reach out to me ngikhona sikhulumisaneni, yabona. So nabo sijuku nabo ngakhuluma nabo ukuthi check pass, but no out if there's anything esibonayo ukuthi ezosika something and ukhona eduze kwethu sizo extenda isandla, yabona. Ngithandana intshumayelo, amakhotmani they our hide information
it also gives a ex-professional player like a home, because usually after retirement they just home but this is a second home manje bazoqhubeka badlale, and it's a good thing.
And bahlangana bodwa mfethu like bagcinana kudala badlala somewhere badlale eArrows bonke asanga basabonana maybe 5-10 years babahlangana nemaster mfana na usesekhona
siyabhlonywa
sebablomini yabona nabo bagaya encourage uthi man dayini ngiyasihlanganisa yabona siyahlangana, so yaba encourage nabo ukuthi baloku bahlangana, yabona sebana ama contact nabo bodwa ukuthi bakhona ukubonana
sure
enyathi bengifonela athi mfana sihlanganisele ama professionals senze maybe game one, yabona kube as awareness Champions League.
Sure.
Speak maybe start ama professional ase West Rand, start professional ase Soweto senze
game sure
sizaba raise ama funds for the Champions League, because we okwamanje besirana through ama donations from ona amakhotman man nemali engaka asihlanganiseni
besadle epokotweni okwamanje
ezinjalo. So my future yethu mfethu mina ngokuyibona kwami is very bright in terms of the way sithole mfethu, the way support sitholile besine group ye Champions League la khona bes communicate na wonke ama teams leya group ayikavalwa namanje ama-Grootman athi no ungayivali
leave this group
yeke la ngoba sisakhulumisana understand siyabona ukuthi singasupporta kuphi nani I know ama-emails bebasendela ama-emails mabasubmitha ama-player registrations abo ngobona i-title yomuntu phansi mfethu uyabona ibhali advocate bani like mara this guy mohlangana naye ground usifakele ishort nama-slippers
sure kanti umuntu ohroti
cha ubamba isandla sakhe so amanye siyabonga manje sicela ukudlala la nani nani uze nge-taxi team ushiye i-shoe you understand sure siyakhambula nawe thina team yethu out coach i-postman you understand and the coach is one of the guys or a director in one of the companies a waste we direct we am coach I'm chicken
umbona njengomuntu
and now this guy ulalela ama instructions because uyazi mase grounding this guy is bigger than me we coach we understand so uyabona ibuyisa that diversity
niba into eyi-one akunama title
player phela naleza bukhati sasitshela la alikhuphuza traffic cop same thing bafethu akuna traffic cop
wakade ukuluza ibhola fall back
nalethi ukuthi uyikhati ground understand so zonke la idings emoRootman ukuthi yabo into egrand mfethu into egrand
wow mfana I hope you get all the sponsors you need mfana sekhona inspanisana nazo right now. Do you wanna maybe speak to anyone beningena khuluma la njengoba usho ukuthi bo reach out to DJ Sbu? Is there anyone you wanna reach to batshele ukuthi this is what you do and bangabe they wanna work with you, where do they get hold of you?
Yazi mfethu ne iPathway islogan sabo lithi
lisegazini sure.
When they announced ukuthi bazosponsor iPSL thina iproposal yethu besihleli inabo esandleni and we're in the final stage signing up a contract nabo I don't know what happened ne proposal yethu nabo besicedile yonke into value proposition yethu nalento abayifunayo masters football or abayifunayo from football bese khona from yithi and image rights everything besisignile phansi. We went to their offices in Melrose 4 times siyokhulumisana nabo and we also promised them ukuthi we'll link you because ku Bundesliga in Europe that's the only way abana team lapho Europe bana wonke basponsora I think England man about 3 or 4 teams about sponsoring and then nakwanya ama country but ku Bundesliga
is one ngaba ulo mnyango lo for them
link you up with one of the directors chairman sponsor yabo one of the teams la and through Bayern or you can speak to Bayern directly so agreement yethu be straightile nabo and mawubheka islogan sabo nathi I think they're the right people.
Lisegazi.
It's the right people by engaging that. At the same time, njengoba bengitshela earlier ukuthi i-target market yabo, i-target market yethu
yithi abantu ababhejayo naba la sure. We buy the vouchers every time.
Yes, ama-Grootman ayaspana esidini but at the same time anama side hustle ukuthi azibhejela. So iBetway bafethu including WSB, West Sports Betting.
West Sports Betting.
Nabo, I don't know what happened because Nabo, same thing. If very proposition yethu besehleli phansi. Last stage into yakhona iphelele emoyeni. So asazi.
But do they come back to you ukuthi ama nikushote lokho or they just nje?
Mfethu very proposition yethu is straightforward. You understand? In terms of and thina sifuni sihlale sibatshela ukuthi asithi sinikeni imali engaka. You understand? Khulumani na ukuthi it's tit for tat. There's a company, I don't want to mention the names, busy now on my said money reward here petrol. So we're saying to them, give us a reward card in. Maybe for example, I 5,000. Then I will give to our members. I'll tell them petrol. Swipe a card kule garage. The Champions League is a total rebate if from it. So it's tit for tat. Now Betway say give us a promo code. I'll tell you one my badger. ikhona ukuthi whatever ithole from
same
thing ne WSB
yabo.
So nama volumes nescore now, so if you want us to push your volumes, we there, we've got people that can push volume. We've got 20,000 people or more that can sell your product or buy your product from us as a Champions League. So these companies speak to us, Tina, we understand.
Come on, guys. It's a great initiative. Champions League, Yamama Stars, make sure you sponsor the guys. This is big. But recognize greatness. Before greatness recognizes itself. Because if it recognizes itself, it won't know you. So manje, make sure you come through, then in Spanisane. Man, I think from me na nomuntu kulele episode, I think you've got an idea with amachita ayenzani, and if you wanna watch them, bakhona nhlala komba background most of the time.
See all over, mfana.
All over,
Alex, as a Champions League as a group, it's all over. Alex, Sunspray, like so it was now 4 Yama leagues, Palm Ridge, so Sikona, all over. Sikon,
all right, it's the Ghetto Dreams podcast. Bafethu ngicabanga ukuthi siyayivala lana. Ngiphethe uThamo Simangaliso, my brother in football, pusha neBundesliga and all the masters la elokishini. That's it. Nansoke mntanami natsoka eKopa the name of LMK. Siyabonga bafethu.